What's going on, everybody? This will be my second video for Saturday, but I will probably wait and post it on Sunday. So we're going to debunk this myth that disputing online is smart. And what I decided to do was use some other YouTubers and credit repair companies who also agree you give up your rights to sue the bureaus, and you also give up your rights to ask for the method of verification. So just check out these clips and let me know what y'all think.
You should not file a credit dispute online, and here's why. Reason number one, there is no paper trail, which is very important to remove negative items off of your credit report. There is always something to go back to. That ensures proof and proof of date. Why is date so important? Because the credit reporting agencies, by law, have to remove information they cannot verify within 30 days. If you don't have proof, you cannot use this law. With online disputes, there is no paper trail at all. When you submit online, you probably won't even get an email confirmation. And it's very easy for it to get lost online with so many millions of disputes. Reason number two, and very important, disputes are handled differently when you submit a dispute online. When you submit online, the credit reporting agency doesn't have to forward the dispute to the creditor. They don't. When you dispute online, the credit reporting agency does not have to show.
Here are two reasons why you should never file a credit dispute online. Reason number one, there's no paper trail. And with no paper trail, there's no way to show that you've been sending letters back and forth to the bureaus. What this is going to do is make it very hard when you have to prove your case if you ever have to file a complaint against the credit bureaus. It also slows down the credit repair process. And lastly, it also makes it very hard to enforce the laws that govern credit repair. Reason number two, your disputes are handled differently when you file online. And also the credit bureaus, they're not required to show you their method of verification. They're not required to even send the letters or the disputes out to the original creditors. What happens is they basically just verify the information in-house. And lastly, they're not required to even send you written information or written results of what happened in the dispute. This is why you should never file a dispute online. It's only going to hurt you. You're going to lose laws, give up laws, and you're going to be stuck with the situation you have. Follow me for more credit repair tips and also how to boost your credit scores.
So as you can see, I am not the only person that says you give up your rights to sue the credit bureaus by disputing online. There's so much more to this than these other people are saying. If y'all have any questions or concerns about this video, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.